Napoli star Kim Min-Jae convinced to join Man United, only a matter of details. Napoli defender Kim Min-Jae has been convinced to join Manchester United, according to Italian newspaper Tutto Mercato. The Red Devils are planning to pursue a new central defender this summer, and it has been widely reported that Min-Jae is the priority target. The club are already in talks with the player's entourage, and Il Mattino claim that intermediaries have convinced him to join United. The same source add that it is just a matter of details before his move to Old Trafford is finalized. Min-Jae has been one of the best performing centre-backs in European football this term. In his debut season at Napoli, the South Korean has completed an impressive 91% of his passes. In our view, he has all the credentials to suit the style of play under manager Erik ten Hag. His arrival would provide Ten Hag with a strong option to rotate with Raphael Varane and Lisandro Martinez. Min-Jae should fancy his chances of a starting spot, considering Varane's injury woes over the years. His arrival probably means that Harry Maguire will be shown the exit door during the summer. Maguire has fallen down the pecking order lately. Victor Lindelof is now the third-choice central defender in the squad. Erik ten Hag holds talks with Manchester United transfer target Adrian Rabiot over summer move. Erik ten Hag has held private talks with Juventus midfielder Adrian Rabiot over a summer move to Manchester United, according to reports. The 28-year-old has been on the Red Devils' radar for quite some time, with United pulling out of a deal for the Frenchman last summer due to his excessive wage demands. However, it would appear that Ten Hag is set to reignite his pursuit at the end of the season, following reports that he has spoken directly with the player. Indeed, Rabiot is expected to be the subject of interest from a number of clubs this summer, with his contract due to expire at the end of the campaign, and United seemingly keen to take advantage of his status as a free agent. French news outlet L'Equipe claimed that Ten Hag has spoken to Rabiot over a potential move, with the club in the market for midfield recruits. The France international is currently enjoying his best-ever season in Serie A, having netted 11 times in all competitions for the Italian Giants. And in a boost for Ten Hag, Rabiot has previously expressed his desire to play in the Premier League, believing he is well suited to the league's style. So what is your opinion on this? Would you like to see Rabiot in Manchester? Manchester United midfielder Marcel Sabitzer ruled out for rest of season. Manchester United have confirmed that Marcel Sabitzer will miss the rest of the season with a knee injury. During his short stay with the 20-time English champions, Sabitzer has scored 3 goals and provided 1 assist in 18 competitive appearances. However, the Austria international missed Saturday's win over Wolverhampton Wanderers due to a knee problem. Manchester United have now revealed that the Bayern loanee has been ruled out for the remainder of the season with a meniscus injury. The injury ensures that Sabitzer will miss the FA Cup final against Manchester City, as well as league meetings with Bournemouth, Chelsea, and Fulham. With Sabitzer set to return to Bayern at the end of the campaign, there is a possibility that he has played his final game in a Man United shirt. According to BBC Sport, Man United have not made a decision on whether they will pursue a permanent transfer for the 29-year-old. Mauricio Pochettino sweating in his efforts to retain Chelsea star on Man United's radar. Incoming Chelsea manager Mauricio Pochettino needs a miracle to keep a hold of Mason Mount amidst interest from Manchester United, according to The Sun. The England international is set to enter the final year of his current contract at the Old Trafford side at the end of the season. To that end, the Argentine head coach, who is set to be confirmed as the Stamford Bridge side's new gaffer, views the 24-year-old as a vital player. However, the playmaker has been in a standoff with Chelsea over a new deal over the last few months. As things stand, the midfielder's relationship with the West London club is at an all-time low. Mount made his way through the youth ranks at the Stamford Bridge side. In the last 2 campaigns, the midfielder has been one of the Blues' best players. However, this season, the playmaker's form has dropped off considerably. The English national has lost his place in the Red Devils' starting lineup. As for United, Bruno Fernandes has been a constant for us in the number 10 position. Erik ten Hag has relied on the Portugal international in multiple positions this season. It is not always that a player of Mount's quality is available on the market. However, will the 24-year-old force his way out of Chelsea and join the Old Trafford side next summer? Only time will tell. Manchester United considering swoop for 25-year-old goalkeeper as De Gea alternative. David De Gea may be set to sign a new Manchester United contract, report The Telegraph, but his number 1 spot is in doubt for next season. This is clear with United linked every day now to signing a new goalkeeper. The latest is Borussia Dortmund star Gregor Kobel, with The Independent reporting Erik ten Hag is keen on a move. Kobel is under contract until 2026. This season he has kept 10 clean sheets in 25 games in the league. He is also a Swiss international, and is viewed as a younger version of Jan Sommer, another goalkeeper United have been linked to. At present, the goalkeeper is one of several the Red Devils have been linked to, so it is tricky to tell who might be a priority and who is further down the list. For now, the interest in Kobel we simply note, and see if it materializes into something more substantial. But if there is one thing we have learned through the years, it is that negotiating with Borussia Dortmund will not be easy. Manchester United scout young striker with 19 goals in 19 games. Signing a big-money striker who can make an immediate impact is going to be a top priority for the club this summer. But if that turns out to be Harry Kane, who turns 30 in July, Manchester United will need to look at a younger forward too, who can learn under him. And now the Red Devils are reported to be eyeing a talented young forward who fits the bill. Belgian newspaper Nieuwsblad report Manchester United had scouts watching striker Gift Orban this past weekend. Orban has been a revelation for Gent this season, scoring 19 goals in 19 games since joining from Norwegian side Stabæk. The 20-year-old only signed for Gent in January for £2 million and has made an immediate impact in Belgium.